Okay, so like I discussed before, an arithmetic sequence, arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers that have a common difference that is added to each term, not multiplied. So that's basically what an arithmetic sequence is. So say you ignore this for right now. So say you have these 6 terms, right? But you have more terms, and you have in total 30 terms. You want to find out what the 30th term is? Well, you go to this handy dandy little equation here. And before we start plugging numbers, I want to discuss what they are. So your AN is your last term, the one you're looking for, the one that you're solving for, which is your 30th terms. Because in total there's 30 terms. A1 is your first term, which is going to be your 4. Your N is going to be your number of terms, which I just said is 30. And your common difference is what is added to each number, which is going to be a positive 4. As you can see, if I can just I don't know why I was doing that. Oh, better. Cool. So what you do is after you plug in the numbers, you got AN equals 4 plus 30 minus 1, and 4 times 4. What you do after is you break it down until you keep going in order. You keep going in order like you would do normally, and then you end up with your answer 120. Now say you just have 66 terms, and you just want to make sure that 24 is the last number. You use the same formula. You already know what your last term is, so you just plug it in. You just plug it in, which is 24, since it's your last term up here. Then you plug in what you had in here, which is 4 plus, but instead of 30, is only 6 now, because there's 6 terms, minus 1 times 4, and then after doing some calculations, you get 24 equals 24, which is the right last term of this arithmetic sequence. So remember, if you want to identify what an arithmetic sequence is, you should first see if it's a sequence, if it's a list of numbers, and then to determine if it's arithmetic, see if the common difference is being added to each. Not multiplied, but added. Now let's move on.